Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a paper stroke outline to a person in the video on CapCut Mobile. So here you just need to add a video with a person on it like this. Then first copy or duplicate the video, click on it and click on duplicate. Now make one of the video as overlay. Click on overlay at the bottom and remove the background of the overlay. Use the remove background and use the auto removal or auto cut. Just wait until the background is fully removed. Okay, so the background is removed. Now go to stroke and then click on the paper stroke to add the paper stroke outline to the person like this. So here you can adjust the size, the distance, and also the texture of the paper stroke. I'm going to go with 70, and this is it. You are done, and this will be the result. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on the like, leave a comment, also click on thanks. Bye.